Happy Saturday. It is January 11th, 2020. Just wanted to do a real quick video. Just got this one in day before yesterday. It's a 2021 ICCE 72 passenger. Let's see. So this bus I ordered, and the folks that watch my channel and know my buses will know that this is a Swan bus. This is a bus that I custom ordered. So it's let's see, 200 and let's see, I'm trying to remember, 259 inch wheelbase, 72 passenger, air disc brakes, black frame windows, 360 degree camera, full AC, docking lights. Went with Bridgestone M726s this time. This was a special order tire I wanted to try out on this unit. And overall, I'm pretty pleased with how it came out. No roof streamer this time. Little different. I kind of like it. Air stop arm, it's all LED. Went with a different wheel this time. This one's the Dura-Bright Evo, so no polishing. Excuse me. Don't mind my kids in the background. So yeah, that's just about it. Just want to give a look at the new bus and do a real quick inside. You can always tell a bus I ordered by the door being yellow. Exterior lock, typical inside, one-piece flooring, gray flooring. Let's get some light in here. LED interior lights. One-piece flooring. I like the one-piece flooring with no metal trim on the floor. Makes it much easier to sweep and keep clean. Again, 72 passenger. This is the first bus with cameras. This bus has multiple cameras. You can see the 360 camera system there. Light monitor, another camera. This bus has a dash cam. We did wig wags, exhaust brake, park regen, traction control. Did the Allison 2500. Was very sad to hear they stopped offering my Eaton 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Air seat, heated. Only thing I don't like is that they put the switches all the way up. I don't know if you can see them down on the side. I don't know why they do that. Typical fare. Power mirrors. And that's the control for the 360 camera. Did something a little different on this bus. Did this visor here. I'm gonna give this a try here and see how that goes. And that's pretty much it. I guess I'll do a start for you. One thing I noticed immediately that this bus did not have a transmission temperature gauge, which is a mistake from the factory. See, it's got 1,329 miles on it. But, there's always, I haven't built a bus yet. No, I take that back. One of them came in perfect. But most of them, almost all of them, have something that isn't what you specified. So anyway, that's just about it. We can go ahead and do a start out. The key was already on the on position, so it had already done the gauge sweep in the warm-up period. So its engine is on this bus is a Cummins ISB 260 horse, 660 torque. That's still the maximum that they allow you to get from the factory. So otherwise, one day I'll do a video on all the things I do to these buses before they go into service. We do quite a bit before they ever hit the road. So, all right, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year.